everyone, I am Rovin Fortuna.
And I'm Laver, Leigh, Malaga, and we are here to tackle about the GMO of an apple. So, by the way, Neo, what is a GMO?
Well, GMO refers to genetically modified organisms, which have been engineered in laboratories to produce desired physiological traits or biological products. This practice is used in conventional livestock production, crop, farming, and pet breeding to breed select individuals of species for desirable offspring.
What is a GMO? Well, it's an organism that's been genetically modified. This means scientists combine the DNA of one or more organisms for some specific genetic feature. Usually this entails engineering plants with toxic bacteria that kill bugs that try to eat the genetically modified plant. Currently up to 88% of corn grown in the US is genetically modified, 91% of soybeans and 88% of cotton are GMO crops as well. These raw foods are then widely used in food production processes. Nearly 3 of every 4 processed foods contains at least one GMO ingredient. It's almost impossible to avoid products containing GMOs. Everything from soda and juice to canned tuna, breakfast cereal, even milk, and delicious bacon can be genetically modified.
Well, thank you for that wonderful answer. What about the GMO of an apple?
About that, we have genetically modified apples that contains characteristics like a lesser browning when sliced or resistance to diseases like apple scab, such as an Arctic apple developed by Okanagan Specialty Fruits Incorporated.
Wow, so interesting. I will definitely find and try it.
So now that you know the meaning of it, what do you think are its benefits?
Well, based on what you said, this could benefit a lot, such as this can extend shelf life compared to non-GMO varieties. It helps to maintain visual appeal and it reduces browning when it is sliced, which might enhance their marketability too.
Perfect. Now, I'll inform you and all the people who are watching now what the real-world applicants of GMO are and how they are currently being used in society.
Okay, I will listen.
So first, in agriculture and environmental remediation, it improves crop yields, enhances resistance to pests and diseases, and increases tolerance to environmental stresses. The last is in medicine and healthcare, where it is used to produce insulin for the treatment of diabetes. Are you listening? Hey, wake up!
Oh, hello. What again? Is it my turn to tell you about the risks associated with GMOs?
Go ahead, and I will truly listen.
Nice. Then their possible risks depend on the method by how they perform the GMO. This may harm beneficial insects, the evolution of resistant pests, trigger allergic reactions, and disrupt ecosystems.
That's a lot, Leigh. Is it the same with the GMOs of apple?
Definitely yes, Neo. That's why it is essential to ensure the responsible deployment and sustainable use to avoid the possible risks.
Ha! Even if you don't ask, I have an idea how to minimize those risks you have mentioned. Mitigation measures should be implemented to minimize environmental harm while transparent communication fosters trust and allows consumers to make informed decisions. Effects on human health, the environment, and agricultural sustainability should be assessed through laboratory studies, field trials, and ecological risk assessments.
And according to my research, these are the examples that has a GMO. Corn, soybean, papaya, pink pineapple, squash, and many more.
What a nice discussion today, Leigh.
Right. I learned a lot from you, Neo, and I hope they learn a lot too.
Me neither. Thank you. I'll have to go now. Bye.
Goodbye!